Hello and welcome back to our channel Worthy. I'm your host Mohit, and today I'll show you how to shorten your watch bracelet at home using a few simple tools without scratching or damaging anything. And here's what you will need: a watch hammer, a watch block, and a pin pusher. And that's it. I'll put down the links in the description below. The watch block keeps your bracelet steady while you work on it. It's like a little workstation that stops the bracelet from slipping. The pin pusher helps you push out or adjust those tiny pins safely. Now before you start, flip the bracelet over and look for tiny arrow markings on the inner side of the links. Those arrow tells you exactly which direction to push the pins out. Follow them carefully. It makes the process 10 times easier. Once you have pushed out the pin, remove a link or two depending on how snug you want the fit. Then reinsert the pin in the opposite direction of the arrow. Give it a gentle tap to lock it back in place. And there you go. A perfectly fitted bracelet that actually feels made for your wrist. Simple, clean, and satisfying. And if you enjoyed this little DIY, hit that like button because next time I'll show you how to swap straps the right way without losing your spring bars under the table. That's all for now. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, keep it classy and stay wristworthy.